Great day all. After the hurricane, we have to basically reshape, replan, and move. So this is my new studio, my private studio here in our Bristol house. There is the ones that I salvaged in the old studio. So I just move it here for now, and we have to kind of start all over. And the good thing is, once something happens, such as an hurricane, never happened in my area for the past like 100 years. The water actually went up almost 20 feet, and the studio was like flooded for until now. We are recovering. So here we are. This is our new studio, and outside we are also creating. There's a basketball court there, and there's gonna be a pool here. We're remodeling a pool, and of course there is our court. It's gonna be a studio right there, and basically this is our home in Virginia.